I don't know what to say right now, but I'm very excited to our trip. My God, it's my first time going to Boracay, so it's going to be fun.
Hey guys, today is January 26, 9:25 a.m. And if you're wondering where am I going, pupunta ako ng Boracay. Nandito si Roan. Say hi, Roan. Hi. And so ayan si Roan. Apat kami. Yung dalawa is andito na. Bumili sila ng potato corner. Pero ayun nga, quick backstory. Kanina, supposedly, ang flight namin is 5 a.m. Pero, maraming nangyari and all that stuff. So, now, nag-reschedule kami. Nag-book ulit kami ng flight ng 10:45 a.m. So, yeah. See you guys there.
Welcome to please forward.
Here's our bag. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa aming hotel, which is the Fairways and Bluewater. So, mag-room tour tayo. Ang kasama ko sa room na to is si Ate Rhea, which is ang nag-video sa akin ngayon. Pakita ka dun! Ayan! So, ayan. Pagpasok natin ng door, makikita natin ay ang mirror. Which is ano? Kalagay ito. Oh! Yeah! Malawak din, guys. And then, paglingon mo naman sa kanan, andito ang ating bathroom. Oh, wow! Tara, pasok kayo, guys. Ang ganda ng bathroom. Look at that. Ganda, ganda. Tapos, paglabas natin dito, close lang natin. Paglabas natin dito, complimentary ba dito to? Like water. Then, pagbaba natin dito, may fridge. Hindi nga pala to free. Magbabayad kami kapag gusto namin uminom. Then, here is our TV. Then, paglipat natin dito, this is my bed. This is my bed and Ate Rhea's bed. Pagpunta natin dito, ang table lang. Parang pag mag-work or kakain, something like that. And then, pagbukas natin dito, hindi ko alam kung mabubuksan ko siya. Wow! Ta-da! Look at that view. So, when you go outside, you will see the pool. Yeah. Look at that. Naghahanap kami ngayon ng makakainan. Galing kami ng sa hotel lang din namin, pero nag-foam party kami. So, ngayon dito kami sa D-Mall. Hanap kami ng magiging dinner namin kasi wala pa rin kami talagang kain simula umaga. Take over ulit kasi pupansin ako like that. Ang sabi ko sa kanila, let's not eat Filipino cuisine kasi lagi naman natin kinakain yun. Let's try something else today. And right now we're
what we're looking for, but ibang cuisine. Ayun. Back to the owner of the vlog.
Guys, habang naglalakad kami dito sa Mall, I'm a fan kasi ng Ha-Sisters, if you know them. Tapos pumunta kasi sila dito for summer break. Yung parang marami silang pinupuntahan na bansa. Tapos, syempre, isa rin sa pinuntahan nila is yung Philippines. And here sa Boracay yun. So, yung mga, like, na-amaze lang ako na makita yung mga spot na napuntahan na rin nila. Kahit alam ko naman na famous place or spot to. But yeah, I'm so happy na that I get to like be here and see this all by my own eyes. So tomorrow, babalik kami here para mag-take ng photos and also buy some like gifts to our family. But for now, ang main goal namin is to find a dinner place. Saan kami magdi-dinner. I'll be here din naman tomorrow. Pero like, binibidyohan ko kada sulok nitong na pinupunta namin. Kasi nga, syempre, first time ito. Pero, you know, pupuntahan ko rin naman ito bukas. Pero, gusto ko pa rin namin eh. Kasi, nasa Boracay ako. Hindi ko akalain to. Ikaw, ay, nakapunta ka na siya dito eh. Ikaw, Steph. Akalain mo nasa Boracay ka? Yeah. Finally, nakahanap na kami ng pakainan. Ito na kami kumain sa Peri Peri. First time ko kumain dito pero yeah. This is our food. Good morning. It's our day 2 here in Boracay. It's currently 6:37 a.m. and nag-breakfast lang kami kasi itong hotel namin is my free breakfast. Wala pa kami today like agenda, mag-uusap-usap pa kami pero I think mag-island hopping tayo, no? Let's talk about it later. Yeah, so pag-uusapan pa namin. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat guys and see you later. We are now here at Crystal Cove and hintay lang namin yung aming tour guide. So, I'll bring you guys along with me. We're here na sa Balinghay Beach. Unfortunately, we cannot go to Pupa Beach kasi malakas yung alon. We're here at Balinghay Beach. We're gonna go there, guys, and try to take some photos. Parang ang ganda niya. Wait, I'll show you. It's so pretty. Pero ako tipo sa lugar. We're here at Station 1. Mag-catch lang namin yung sunset. Kumbaga. I mean, hintay lang namin yung sunset. Ang ganda ng view ko. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Ano si Roan? Ang saya nung ng island hopping. Lalo na kasi ang bait din, no? At ang funny nung tour guide namin. So, I highly recommend Kuya Jerome. So, sobrang saya niya as our tour guide. Right now, hihintay talaga namin yung sunset. And we'll take some pictures then. We're back here at our hotel. Napag-decide namin na mag-swim muna for a bit here sa pool ng aming hotel. So, bago kami magbanlaw. Kasi kagabi nag-close siya, so hindi na namin naabutan, guys. Punta na kami ngayon sa nireserve namin na kainan or pagdi-dinneran, which is the Playa. Take lang kami ng pictures kasi 8:57 pa lang and yung reservation namin is 9:30. We're here. Mag-order lang kami, guys. May dates. Say hi. May dates. May dates.
This was our last day in Boracay, and after breakfast, we decided to go to the private beach of our hotel. And after that, we went out to buy some pasalubong for our friends and family. And yeah, this is the end of our Boracay vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this, and until next time!
That magnet?
Yeah.